morning friends, welcome to my channel Dhaval Malvania. So in today's intraday stocks we have selected SBI as it has broken its range, which I will show you in a short while, but I'll tell you where we have done the entry and exits. We have entered above 196.80 and we exited near first retracement, that is around 198.10. So today we can see how the stock has performed. Our two levels were 198.30 and 200.90. Above that the resistance level was around 202.50. I'll show you the order book as well. So this was our entry 196.80 and we booked the exit at around 198.10 and this is the position. Though the market is down, we can see that in Nifty PSU bank, that is public sector banks, considering SBI, PNB, Bank of Baroda, those are the prime stocks in PSU banks. So we traded in SBI and currently it is trading around 203. It has made an high. I'll show you in the chart, you get to see. This is actually 1 minute chart, and from here market depth we can see 203.70 is the high and currently it is trading near 203. As market was open near 196 in pre-open session, we considered buying this stock and we have booked a good profit in it. You can see here it would have sustained till 202. I'll show you why we have selected that stock. In daily time frame, if you see here, ascending triangle breakout is happening. So till now, that is ranging from July to August, this whole month the stock was trading below this trend line, and yesterday it has just broken that trend line and it has taken a support from that trend line and closed above it around 195. So we see the average volume near the resistance. So nearest resistance was around 202.50, which is currently trading around that range only. Next zone for SBI would be, I will convert this to week and we will see it may go to 240, around 244. This would be the level which is the next resistance for the SBI. If it is closing about 203 and sustaining it in next week, then we can see that public sector bank SBI can move up to 244 with the stop loss of 180. So thank you very much guys for watching my videos. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and those who are watching my videos, if they are liking the analysis which I am sharing with you, please subscribe my channel.